This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today's discussion is the markets turn lower plus six more stories. So here's the deal today. The markets open about 1% down after they closed lower on Friday. In a lot of ways, it looks like there's some coming headwinds for the markets. Second, Amazon. Amazon is also struggling a little bit. Their signups for Amazon Prime fell year after year. Signups from the U.S. failed to meet last year's total sales. This is a problem for Amazon, much like the sale of iPhones is a problem for Apple. And I'll go to that third. Third, the fall in Prime memberships is more important because the memberships reflect the ecosystem at Amazon. Those are people that are regularly shopping and using Amazon. It's similar to iPhone sales at Apple. If Apple iPhone sales go down, that's a problem in and of itself, but it's a bigger problem because that means less people using the Apple ecosystem. So that's why this is such a problem for Amazon and such a problem for Apple. So far, year to date, Amazon is up 4.4%, barely holding on, down again the last couple of days. Apple is down 7.3% year to date. Fifth, Apple in the June quarter reported its strongest revenue growth in almost 4 years, but the company is still facing a lot of headwinds and the stock is still very expensive. That's from the Motley Fool. Sixth, Tesla sales fell again in China in August. They rose in Turkey. Tesla's down 17.33% year to date. Again, the China sales matter. The U.S. sales are not reported on a monthly basis, but some of these country sales are reported on a monthly basis. China matters because it's the second biggest market for Tesla. Finally, seventh, the S&P 500 has never been this expensive and more concentrated in fewer companies. That's from the Wall Street Journal. It's a reminder that the allocation of your assets is so important. The article basically says the stocks are pricier at any time than during the dot-com era. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We'll be back with you today with several other podcast episodes. Thank you for listening.